Hello all, welcome to Naroj Master Academy. Our daily current affairs, including GS and Chinky. Let's move to the first question. Recently, which country won Kawa Women's Volleyball Nations League 2024? India, Nepal, Bhutan, Iran. The option India. India won the Kawa Women's Volleyball Nation League final, defeating Nepal 3-2 in Kathmandu. This victory marked India's second title in the league, despite a previous loss to Nepal in the league stage. India secured the championship in the finals. The final match displayed high competitions and skill between both teams. India took gold, Nepal secured silver, and Iran settled for bronze in the tournament. Very important. Next question. Recently, which state government has approved Logistic Policy 2024 to create 5 lakhs jobs opportunities in which state? The state government of Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has approved Logistic Policy 2024. It aims to establish more than 200 logistic parks, complex and terminals, which is expected to generate approximately 5 lakhs new job opportunities. The policy targets developing 10,000 plus acres of logistic infrastructure, including 25 district nodes, leave 5 regional hubs and states, nations, and international logistics hubs. Very important. Next current affair. Sri Baba Buddha Amarnath Temple, recently seen in news, is located in which valley of Jammu and Kashmir? In the valley of Loran Valley. The 10-day Sri Baba Buddha Amarnath pilgrimage in Poonch district, Jammu and Kashmir, started on August 8th and will end on August 19th. Coinciding with Swan Purinma and Raksha Bandhan, the first batch of pilgrims left Jammu amid tight security. Around 700 pilgrims from Karnataka, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh are participating in this. The temple is 290 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir, 460 feet above sea level, and surrounded by Loran Valley. Visiting Baba Buddha Amarnath is considered essential before the Baba Amarnath Yatra in Anantang. Next question. Recently, the Indian Army has conducted a strategic military exercise, Parvat Prahar, in which region? In the region of Ladakh. The Indian Army conducted the Parvat Prahar exercise in Ladakh, focusing on high altitude warfare. The exercise highlights operations in rugged terrains near the India-China border. It involves real-world combat simultaneous to train soldiers for unique challenges. The 4 night long drill involving various army units, including infantry, artillery, and amorous force, and showcases military assets like tanks, K9, Vajra, artilleries, and UAVs. The exercise involved the mountain strike troops is crucial for maintaining reading in the sensitive regions aimed at the ongoing India-China standoffs. Very important. Next questions. What is work recently seen in news? It is a property dedicated in the name of God of religions and charitable purpose. A continuous bill to amend the Act of 1995, aiming to include non-Muslimism, includes a Muslim woman in Waqf bodies, is set to presented in Lok Sabha. This act was implemented in 1956. The property dedicated for the religious and charitable purpose. Next question. Yeah, the main current affairs. India's first green ATM launched in Odisha. Let us see what is about it. So, Odisha government introduced the state first grain ATM. It is what? Grain ATM, a new technology designed to improve food distribution under the National Security Program on August 8, 2024. The mission is a part of the central government's Annapruti program was launched developed by looking at. It is a grain ATM. We have to collect the grain from this ATM. So that is launched in Odisha. Next current affair. Maharashtra Cabinet approves Logistic Policy 2024. What is about this? What is Logistic Policy 2024? So, the Maharashtra Cabinet, led by Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, has approved the Maharashtra Logistic Policy 2024. The policy is designed to boost the state economy by generating by 30,573 crores in revenue and creating around 5 lakhs job over the next 5 years. These plans are based on recommendations from the State Economic Advisor Council. Next current affair. Indian Army conducts Parvat Prahar military exercise in Ladakh between the India and the China border. The exercise key part of Indian military is nothing but strategy, especially given by the ongoing tensions with China. So India men's hockey team wins bronze at Paris 2024. India men's hockey team won the bronze medal at Paris 2024 Olympic with a 2-1 victory over Spain. This is a significant achievement because it marks India's first time winning consequently Olympic medal in hockey since in 1972 Munch. Next question. IIT Guwahati develops ML framework leap for IC design efficiency. Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, have developed a new machine learning framework called LEAP, that significantly improves the process of electronic design automation, that is nothing but EDA, for the integrated circuit ICS. EDA is a critical process in the dollar of 600 billion semiconductors industry. This software takes high-level circuit designs and converts them into a format that can be manufactured known as graphic design system, that is about GDS. EDA is essentially for IC designing, helping engineers deal with the complex steps needed to create electronic components. Next current affair. Study reveals India's districts facing extreme weather crisis. A study titled recently Managing Monsoons in Warming Climate has highlighted concerning trends in extreme weather across India. According to the study, nearly 84% of districts in the country are experiencing severe heat waves and 70% are seeing an increase in heavy rainfalls, especially during the monsoon season. The study predicts that by 2036, 8 of every 10 Indians will be affected by extreme weather. This report created by IPE Global and ESRI India examined temperature and rain data from 1993 to 2022, showing a significant increase in both frequencies and intensities of extreme weather events over the past 30 years. Neeraj Chopra wins silver in javelin at Paris 2024 Olympics. At the Paris 2024 Olympics, Neeraj Chopra, the resigning Olympic champion in immense javelin throw, secured a silver medal, marking a significant achievement even though he couldn't defend his title. This event showcased the fierce competitions among world's top javelin throwers. Great Barrier Reef faced record temperature urgent threats. Let us see. So the Great Reef Reefs, nothing but the Greater Barrier Reef (GBR) is experiencing serious problem because of climate changes. Recently, scientists have found the ocean surface temperature is the highest it has been over 400 years, and the rapid increase in temperature.